From lymphatic drainage massage to the no-touch face rule, these are beauty secrets from models that are actually worth your time for that glowy model off-duty look. Now, I'm here to say that not everything that models do is gospel, but when you have access to the world's top dermatologists, estheticians, makeup artists, and aesthetic doctors, you learn a couple trade secrets along the way. Some of these are shockingly simple, while others are completely underrated. So not only am I going to be sharing model beauty secrets, but I'm actually going to be sharing the ones that I do every single day and that I think are worth your time, effort, and money. So let's get into today's video. Number one, this is foundational and it's being diligent with your skincare routine. Models are actually incredibly intentional with their skincare routine and for good reason. Their face is quite literally part of their job, so it requires a lot of care, attention, and sometimes money depending on what your budget is for skincare products. While we might not be walking down red carpets or runways, I think that we need to adapt that same type of diligence when it comes to our own skincare routine, and that involves incorporating a morning and an evening skincare routine. And the products and routines and how many steps that are actually in your skincare routine are going to be completely individualized based on your skin type, your goals. I'm not going to be sharing an exact skincare routine for you that models do because it completely depends on if you're dry, dehydrated, acne prone, combination. Products that you're using are going to be completely individualized for you, and a lot of the time these models are going based off of product recommendations from their dermatologist and esthetician. So if you do have the resources to be able to access one of these people to help you create a curated routine for your skin type, then I highly recommend doing that and then sticking with that routine if it works for you. Tip number two is a morning facial massage. Facial massage is one of those beauty rituals that is loved by so many models, especially Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, who swears by it, or her morning skincare routine. During the morning, our skin naturally holds this puffiness, whether it's from a poor sleep or maybe from a salty snack or dinner from the night prior, maybe from having 1 or 2 glasses of wine. These can all attribute to excess puffiness, excess water retention in the face. So doing something like a facial massage will really help to depuff your face. Literally, it only takes a few minutes of facial massage. You can use your hands, you can use a gua sha, you can also use some gentle facial lymphatic massage techniques to help achieve this. It also helps boost circulation, so it's going to give you that rosy, fresh, and awake look. All right, beauty secret number 3 is double cleansing. Double cleansing is an absolute essential in a model's skincare routine. Kendall Jenner is actually known for taking her double cleanse super seriously. So for the first cleanse, you're usually going to go with an oil-based cleanser, and this is going to help melt away makeup and impurities from the skin while also making sure that your skin is not completely stripped of moisture. The second step is to go in with a gel, milk, or cream cleanser to wash off any additional impurities, sweat, grime, and really give you that fresh, clean face. This is a super simple yet really effective and powerful ritual that's going to make your skin glowy and cleansed. It's going to really ensure your skin is clean, but the double cleansing of the oil component is going to make sure that your skin's not completely stripped of its natural moisture and natural oils, and it's going to help create a very balanced environment for your skin. I am going to share a new cleanser that's just been launched by Osea. This is going to help you achieve that 2-step cleanse ritual. This is the new Osea Ocean Wave Cleanser bi-phase cleanser, meaning that it's an oil to water base, and you are going to notice some separation of the oil and water, so you have to give it a bit of a shake before you apply it. And this is really great at helping to rinse and cleanse away any makeup and impurities on the surface of our skin before going in with our cream or milky cleanser. Now, I really love this because whether you have a light makeup or a more heavier makeup, this is going to help remove that. And unlike traditional oil cleansers, this is more of like a toner kind of watery consistency, but it has that oiliness to it as well, but not in the sense that's over oily, so it leaves your skin feeling super fresh. I would recommend going in with a little cotton round. These are the reusable cotton rounds from Osea, and you're just going to apply it here, hold it under your eye if you have eye makeup, and just kind of wash it around your whole face. Once you do that, you're going to go in with your cream or gel milky based cleanser. This is non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested. It of course has their famous ingredient, Andaria's seaweed, and this is full of antioxidants and minerals and vitamins that are really going to nourish the skin. Camelina oil, which is rich in omega-3s, great for balancing the skin barrier. This combination leaves your skin feeling really cleansed, but also not stripped of its natural moisture. For a limited time, you can use my discount code GabrielleM10. I'll have it linked on screen to receive a discount off of your Osea order. If you're interested in purchasing the Ocean Wave Cleanser or the duo with the Ocean Cleanser, then definitely make sure to check out the links down below. These are the two products that I used in my little demonstration and the products that I've been using for my double cleansing routine. So again, use my code on screen, GabrielleM10, as well as clicking the links down below in the description if you'd like to purchase some Osea products. Double cleansing is also particularly important if you are a makeup wearer because it's really going to help give you a clean base. Number 4, sunscreen is an absolute non-negotiable. Models aren't just wearing their sunscreen in the summertime or on vacation. It is something that becomes part of their routine every single morning. And with our sunscreen, you're going to apply it as your last step in your morning skincare routine before you apply your makeup. Models like Gigi Hadid and Adriana Lima absolutely swear by applying sunscreen and SPF to protect their skin. It is arguably the most important step in your morning skincare routine. And from an aesthetic point of view, it's going to help reduce premature signs of aging, reduce sunspots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, as well as an uneven skin tone. Imagine your sunscreen as your invisible shield for the day. Number 5 is oxygen facials. These facials are loved in the fashion and beauty industry for their ability to instantly plump and hydrate and add this glowing from within look. During this facial, they use a pressurized stream of pure oxygen on the skin, usually in combination with targeted serums. And the oxygen helps to boost collagen production, improves your circulation, it's going to deliver that lit from within glow. It's one of those secrets that models use before pre-events, runways, or shoots. I personally love using it before a vacation because it really gives my skin that boost and that really glowy look. And the results are immediate, which I absolutely love. I'm someone who loves instant gratification. Model beauty secret number 6. Hydration is key. And I know that I'm getting so many eye rolls right now because of course everyone says like, oh, the secret to my skin is drinking water. I know it sounds so annoying to say, but it actually is so incredibly important. And there is real science behind staying hydrated and being consistent with your hydration. One day of drinking lots of water isn't going to solve all your skin problems, but consistently staying hydrated and drinking 2 or 3 liters of water every single day is going to seriously benefit your skin and so many other things as well, like your digestion. Let's get into why staying hydrated is so key for your skin. When you are hydrated, your cells are able to regenerate more efficiently. Your skin maintains that elasticity and your skin will appear plumper and more hydrated. Dehydration, on the other hand, is going to exaggerate your fine lines, make your skin appear more dull, and it's going to make everything from your makeup application to managing your hair a little bit more difficult. Models like Kendall Jenner and Rosie Huntington-Whiteley always carry around a water bottle, and for me it's really important to drink water continuously throughout the day just by sipping it, not by chugging it all in one go. Honestly, it might not be a groundbreaking or super glamorous tip, but is one that is so fundamentally important to your skincare routine and just your beauty routine in general. Beauty secret number 7 is regular lymphatic drainage massages. And this kind of plays into our previous tip, like number 2, I believe, where I was talking about facial massage. But lymphatic drainage massage is more specifically about massaging the body. And the difference between a lymphatic drainage massage and a regular massage is that instead of focusing on the muscles, we're actually focusing on the lymphatic system and shifting lymph fluid. Lymphatic drainage massage is loved by models like Jasmine Toux, Elsa Haas, and Alessandra Ambrosio. And they especially love doing this before shoots, before fashion weeks, or vacations. Well, the benefits usually speak for themselves. If you ever had one, you absolutely know the immediate immediate results that you do achieve when you do this. It's going to help with water retention. It's going to flush out toxins. It's going to depuff your face, your waist, and lean out your legs. It's really going to give you that lean, sculpted model runway look. Many models are incorporating this into their weekly or bi-weekly routine, and I understand that is probably completely unrealistic for the everyday person, and it's not something that I do as frequently as a model does. However, I do swear by these pre-vacation or when I just need a little bit of a reset or a little bit of a depuff. It makes me feel so good after I do the lymphatic drainage massage. I feel like a little bit like of a weight lifted off me, both physically and emotionally. It definitely does make you feel super light, and you will visibly notice the changes in specifically your face, your kind of waist, abdomen, and your legs. I'm actually scheduling 2 lymphatic drainage massages about a week apart before I go away on my trip, and I'm really excited for that. It's one of those little treats that makes me feel really special and like I've indulged in some self-care. And again, instant gratification. You're gonna see those results right away as well. Model beauty secret number 8, the hands-off face rule. Throughout the day, our hands come in contact with so many different surfaces that can pick up bacteria, grime, dirt, and if you touch your face, you are literally applying that right onto your face. That could lead to breakouts, irritation, and clogged pores. This is literally a zero-cost, high impact tip that you can incorporate into your day, and once you start paying attention to it, you'll realize how many times during the day you go to touch your face. It's actually crazy. I have become more aware of when I'm touching my face, and I realize I do it a lot. Being aware of when you're touching your face and really trying to prevent it. The other thing is making sure that you're always carrying a hand sanitizer with you, because at least after you touch a surface, you can apply hand sanitizer throughout the day. I would definitely recommend one that has moisturizing qualities to it so your hands don't get super dried out. But try to do both of those: hand washing, hand sanitizing, and embracing the hands-off face rule. Okay, model beauty secret number 9, we're almost done. This is no caffeine after 2 p.m. And I know you might be thinking like, that's not really a beauty rule, but it is a beauty rule because we are tapping into the sleep beauty connection. And for many models, this is actually non-negotiable. Skipping your afternoon coffee is one of the most underrated things that you can do for your skin. Caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours. So if you're indulging in like that 3 p.m. latte, you're likely still having that caffeine circulating in your system well into the evening. It's going to delay that melatonin production and disrupt that deep sleep that our body needs. And getting into that deep sleep is absolutely everything for your body and your skin. During that deep sleep phase, our skin repairs itself, irritation and inflammation calms down, our skin and body depuffs, there's digestion happening. And so we really want to make sure that we get into that deep sleep. So doing things like skipping out on the caffeine and helping to promote that natural melatonin production is going to allow us to get into that deep sleep. So like I said, prioritizing sleep is absolutely essential, and doing something like skipping out on your caffeine can actually help promote a better sleep. This actually has a surprisingly big impact on how you look and feel the next day. Our last model beauty secret of today's video is, drumroll please, practicing barre and or Pilates for better posture. When you see models on the runway with their graceful, poised posture and walk is attributed to posture. Many models, including Lily Aldridge, Romy Stride, and Carly Kloss, incorporate low impact exercises like barre into their weekly routines to help strengthen their core, open up their shoulders, and support that better posture. Unlike high impact workouts, barre and Pilates is more low impact, and it's going to focus on lengthening and toning and building those deep, small muscle groups that are really going to help support a better posture. The results of doing this and achieving a better posture is that you appear taller, you appear leaner, you move more fluidly, and you also exude this effortless confidence. It actually is really great for digestion as well. We probably know that digestion and our gut health also contributes to our skin appearance and health. So this is just like a 2-in-1 benefit. So those are my 10 model beauty tips that are actually worth your time, effort, and money. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you have any celebrity model beauty secrets down below that you do every single day. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up a little like, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. A lot of you may be viewers but not actually subscribed to my channel yet. Sometimes you just don't realize that you're not subscribed to someone's channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. I am heading to the south of France in less than 3 weeks, which is so exciting. I have lots of videos planned in preparation for that vacation, and of course while I'm away as well. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves.